Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the Seashell Pearl Cake in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has an oven, the Call of Wheels oven, and in this oven you can cook any special food, new special food, and one of them is this Seashell Pearl Cake. And to cook this food is actually very easy. First you can just go to your stove, your Tidal stove. You must have this stove to cook this food. And if you don't know how to craft this stove, you can just check the tutorial about how to make this stove at the Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just tap on it, and then let's just use this Seashell Pearl Cake recipe. Like this Seashell Pearl Cake recipe. You can get this Seashell Pearl Cake recipe from the rewards after you completing the quest from the NPC Masimo. And if you don't know how to get this recipe or to complete the quest, you can just check at the another tutorial to add the Heartopia playlist. And then after that, after you choosing this recipe, first you need to complete all the ingredients. You need the scallop, and then wheat, milk, and then fruit, just any fruit. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And just like that, you will successfully making Seashell Pearl Cake. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!